Does this not give you like YouTube circa 2003 vibes? Because it does for me. So this is our bathroom, obviously. I do want to say thank you to everyone who left really awesome comments on my last video. This is our temporary apartment or condo, whatever we're in now. We're pretty happy with it. There are weird things here and there, like the hot water. Questionable. Oh my god. I'm dying. Anyways, I'm not gonna mumble too much. I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who left a nice comment on the last video. I did go through and read them all. If you haven't seen what has happened to me and my boyfriend, you can check that. It's either gonna be in this corner or this corner. When I film, it's flipped, and so then I never know which way to point, but there'll be a little eye in the corner, which you can watch that video. So today we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial. It's just gonna be super simple, super quick, super fun, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Not a lot of products, you don't need too much, especially, this works really good if you have like a longer haircut like mine. Like, I need to go in and get a haircut because this girl, if I split this, like, there are some hairs that are like this long, and then I got hairs in other places that are like super long. So like, I did that myself, that was no one else, that was me. And the mistakes I've made. So basically right now my hair just has a bit of salt in it. We went into the condos that we're temporarily living in, have like a activity center, clubhouse thing, and it's got a pool and a hot tub and a workout area and like a pool table. It's actually really cool. And we finally went there today and went swimming, which was awesome. We got up, went super early, no one was there. Thank God, because like, hashtag I hate people. So it was really nice for us to just go there, chillax and all that. So that's basically what's in my hair right now. It is like a day old too. I think I washed it yesterday or the day before and just haven't, like, I haven't put product in it, whatever, haven't done anything. So I'm going to be using this Pantene Volume High Lifting Hairspray, Ultra Sheer Mist, All Day Lift and Fullness. I believe, so this is an extra strong hold. It does not feel like that. This feels like a medium hold at best, but I do like it because it really just makes my hair very dirty. And when it's kind of like clean like this, it does really help to just get my hair starting to get some grip and some texture so that when I start to move it, it holds that shape better. So I'm just gonna spray this all around. And then use my fingers, rub it in. I'm going to be pushing my sides and my back up constantly because I have been really digging this, like, what's the guy who, it almost reminds me of like Guy Fieri. Is that the guy who goes around eating food and he's got like the really spiky hair? Anyways, it kind of like gives me that like punky vibe. Okay, now that I've got like a bit of texture going on, I'm going to take these are called backcombing brushes, but in all my previous videos I called them a tuffing brush, and literally nowhere in existence are they called a tuffing brush except in my videos. So I had a bunch of people just being like, girl, where do I find these? And I'm like, why are they having a hard time finding these? They're like literally everywhere. And then I looked it up myself and it's actually called a backcombing brush. So for like 3 solid years, I was leading you guys astray, and my fucking apologies. That is not what I meant to do. But like, do you ever do that? Do you ever just like come up with your own terminology for something, like of what you think it should be called, even though that's not its real fucking name? I'm finding out through YouTube I do that more than I realized. Alright, so now I'm just tuffing it and giving it a bit more grip at the base. Just to remind people, you're not doing this. You're grabbing a chunk of hair, pulling the top down, taking your brush away, and repeating that. If you go up and down, you're just gonna knot the hair, but when you do it like this, you're pushing all the hair to the bottom by your roots, and that's gonna help give it a better hold. If you're just making a knot, you're not doing anything. Do you know what I mean? Okay, gonna hit it with another round of this. Again, this is just to make it dirty, give it a bit of lift. Don't worry about placement too much right now. Now I'm gonna go on with the tried and true Redken 5th Avenue Mess Around 10. I do find it hard with their new packaging to figure out like what the fuck Redken's product names are, so not the best marketing I've seen. I'm just gonna take like a gob of it like this, run it through my fingers, and I'm gonna start at the back of my hair, pushing it all up on the sides and then like messing the back. This is an interesting angle. This is like, you know, more, you guys usually see like here up, so this is new. Okay. So let's start tuffing these hairs this way because they're wanting to be difficult. Right now my hair is cut really blunt too because I did it, so this works really well for this kind of haircut. Now I'm going to take Pantene Hairspray Extra Hold. These are supposed to be the same strength in a, like same hold strengthness, but this is way better than this one. So I really like this one for like the purpose of making my hair dirty, but this one actually has a hold to it. And I'm just gonna push my sides up, girl. Makes me feel like an anime character, like a warrior, like a video game character, you know what I mean, with hair like this? Don't forget the back. I will come for you if you forget the back, girl. It's kind of like white girl afro, but like in a good way. You know what I'm saying? Is white girl afro ever good? I'd like to think so. Okay, now I'm just gonna wash my hands and zoom you guys in. Okay guys, so I'm hoping you can see it. I know it's super bright in here, but I'm just gonna do a little turny turn. But yeah, that's it, that's all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, got a little bit of inspiration for maybe what you can do when your hair is like growing out and just a bunch of different lengths and you're not really sure what to do or when your next haircut is gonna be. This is really good to just like mess it all up and throw it up, girl, you know? This is like a pixie version of a ponytail, you feel me? But yeah, I think that's it, that's all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I put content out every weekend. I might try and like sneak in a vlog every midweek or every second midweek, something like that. That might be interesting. Let me know how you guys feel about that. And let me know what kind of haircut I should get. I'm kind of like at this point where I'm just like not really sure what I want to do with my hair, so I've been like avoiding it and then doing home haircuts, which has turned into like whatever the fuck I have now, which is questionable. But yeah, let me know if there's any like really cool haircuts that you guys want me to try out. I'm always down for that. I'm pretty open. But yeah, tag me in them on Instagram, poisoned_productions, and I think that's it, that's all guys. I'll see you in my next video.